If you use WhatsApp, consider to watch this video right now and discover the hidden WhatsApp feature you need to try out right now. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. If you go to your WhatsApp and you click on this three dot from the top, then you go to settings, then you simply go to privacy, then you scroll down and go to privacy checker. Then you go to add more privacy to your chat, secure right here, and click on end-to-end script backup. Then your backup will be saved even if you lose your phone. This is one of the great things you're going to get if you turn on this particular service. Then secure your backup with password or encrypt key. No one else will be able to access your WhatsApp backup, not even WhatsApp or Google. You can imagine that. Your current backup size is this, and including this. What we need to do right here is to simply turn on. Then right here, to protect your end-to-end encrypt backup, create a password. You will need password to restore backup. If you forgot your password and lose your phone, WhatsApp cannot help you to recover your backup. So you need to take into consideration of this. Now, for you to create a password, click on here to create a password. Then right here, enter your password, the password that you will always remember each time you want to have access back to the backup. Next thing you need to do is to click on next. Then confirm your password and click on next. It's take you right here. The encryption process will complete in the background. It may take some time. While it's complete, you can use your phone and WhatsApp like you usually do. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on create. So I'm going to click on create right here. Enabling. It's as simple as that. So this is one of the great hidden features that can allow you to back up your chat privacy in WhatsApp. I hope you really got value for this video. Find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.